In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into Hostinger hPanel and update your website. Whether you're making small tweaks or overhauls, I'll guide you through the process so you can keep your site looking fresh and up to date. So, let's get started with this simple, step-by-step journey. First things first, we need to log into your Hostinger hPanel account. You'll want to open up your preferred web browser and navigate to the Hostinger website. Once you're there, look for the Login button. It's usually located in the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click it. You're going to need to enter your login credentials, which are typically your email address and password associated with your Hostinger account. Enter those details carefully, and hit the Login button to access your dashboard. Now that you're in, you'll see a multitude of options available to you in the hPanel. What we're interested in for today is navigating to the Websites section. This is where you can see all the websites you manage under your Hostinger account. Click on the Websites tab, and you'll get a list of all the domains you're currently working with. Next, find the website you want to update. Once you've spotted the right one, look for the Edit Website option sitting next to your site's name. Click on Edit Website, and this will direct you to the website builder. This is where all the magic happens. Whether you want to tweak some text, swap out a few images, adjust the layout, or play around with the color scheme, the website builder is your playground. Take your time here, explore the various features, and make the changes that you've envisioned. It's a dynamic space that allows for creativity while keeping things user-friendly. Once you've made all your adjustments, the next crucial step is to ensure your changes are saved and visible to your site visitors. To do this, look for the button that says Update Website or Publish. It can usually be found at the upper right corner of the builder. Once you've located it, click on it. This action saves your changes and pushes them live for everyone to see. And that's it. You've successfully updated your website using Hostinger's hPanel. Now your site is not only current, but also reflective of any new changes or updates you've wanted to make. It's as easy as logging in, navigating to your website, editing to your heart's content in the website builder,